Hello, do you know how to solve some of the surds problem? So, you're welcome. Don't go away, let's learn this maths problem up to the end. So we have root x add to root 2 is equals to root 32. So the first step that you're going to do, we're going to start with the solution first. So under solution, we have the equation, we have root x add to root 2 is equals to root 32. So the first thing that you need to do, we're going to work out this problem and say this one is equals to root x. So add to root 2 remains to be root 2 is equals to this root 32. We need to simplify it. And when we simplify root 32, we shall have root 16 multiplied by root 2. So the next step, we shall say that this one is equals to root x add to root 2 there is equals to root 16 is 4 multiplied by root 2. So the next step we shall say that root x add to root 2 is equals to, this one can be written as 4 times root 2 can be written as 4 root 2. So the next step is to bring this root 2 to this other point, because root 6 is known, root 2 is unknown. So we shall say that root x there is equals to, so root 2 shall cross the equal sign, then shall have 4 root 2, then because it was plus 2, we shall have minus root 2, minus root 2. So here we shall have root x is equals to, when we have 4 subtract from root 32. So this 4 root 32 is assume there is 1 root 2. So we say 4 subtract from 1, we shall have 3, then that 3 root 2. Because root 2 subtract from root 2 remains to be root 2. So I want us to have the x alone. So when we have the x alone, we shall introduce the square root. So let's introduce the square root. So x, the square root of x squared, we shall have x. So this one is equals to the 3 squared. Then we shall also have root 2 squared. So from that point, we shall say that x is equals to 3 squared is 9 multiplied by root 2 squared. Root 2 squared is the same as 2. So we shall have 2. So finally, our x that we'll be looking for is equals to 9 multiplied by 2. And 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. So our x is 18. So see you in our next video. Bye bye.